Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a couple different ways on how you can customize your Windows 11 taskbar. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you want to go about pinning or unpinning icons from the taskbar, if you want to remove something that's already listed down here, you can just right click on it and select the unpin from taskbar button, which would remove it from the taskbar. If you want to resort images or icons down here, you just drag it over. So you just hold down with your left mouse cursor. You can rearrange the order of the icons. Something else you can try as well, if you were to right click on a blank area of the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings, you can adjust which taskbar items. So there's some that you won't be able to just remove easily by right clicking on it. You'd have to go into here, such as removing the search button, task view, widgets, and chat icon. And if you scroll down here where it says taskbar behaviors, if you click on that, if you want to change the taskbar alignment to the left, as it has in earlier versions of Windows, you could do that just by selecting left, or you could select center, which is what the default setting is on Windows 11. And one final thing, if you wanted to pin a program or an application to the taskbar, because I showed you guys how to remove it, I'm going to show you guys how to add one. So if you search for an application you want to add, so let's just say Firewall, Windows Defender Firewall, you could right click on that and you could select Pin to Taskbar, and then you have an icon down the taskbar. And then one final thing, if you want to change the color theme, so if you want to make it light mode or if you want to change the color to something completely different, you could open up search menu, type in settings, best match, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select personalization. You're going to have to select dark mode. And then if you scroll down underneath accent color, you can select a custom color. And then where it says show accent color on start and taskbar, then you can turn it on. Because if the Windows mode is not set to dark, it won't let you change it. So if you had it just as light mode, it wouldn't give you the option. I believe you could still change your default app mode to light mode. As long as the Windows mode is dark, you should be able to change the accent color. So pretty cool feature there, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.